This video is on differentiating by chain rule from pure to A-level maths. Right, so we are going to start with the first question of exercise 9C, and I'm going to do all of these 8 differentiations. So the first function that we have is, let's call it f of x is 1 plus 2x to the power of 4. Right, and we want to differentiate this by chain rule. So the first thing is just using the correct notation, f dash x is equal to. So when we have brackets and powers outside, the whole process is very easy. We just use the power, we just put the power here, 4, and then times, so in this case the power is 4, and then we differentiate inside whatever we have inside the brackets, and we write down the derivative of the bracket outside. So in this case 1 plus 2x. If we want to differentiate 1 plus 2x, this just differentiates to 2 because 1 just differentiates to 0 because it's a constant, and 2x differentiates to just 2. And we can just simply write down 4 times 2 and then open bracket, then write down the same thing, so 1 plus 2x. Now this time the power should be 3. Remember that when we had a thing like 2x squared, and if we want to differentiate this, then this is going to be 4x, because the power 2 reduces by 1 unit, in this case which will be 1, so that's why it's 4x. And here is exactly the same case. Now we just need to simplify this, and we get 8 1 plus 2x cubed, and that's it. This is the answer of the first question. Right, now doing the second one. So this is our function, and f dash x is equal to, so first we start by writing down the power times the derivative of the inside. So in this case 3 differentiates to 0, and minus 2x squared differentiates to minus 4x. And now open bracket, the same function inside the bracket, so it doesn't change. The power just reduces by 1 unit. In this case, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. And we can simplify this, which we get 20x, 3 minus 2x squared to the power of minus 6, and that's it. Part C. So this is our function, f dash x is equal to power, which is a half, times the derivative. So the derivative of inside is 4, because 4x differentiates to 4, then bracket 3 plus 4x, the power minus 1, which is a half minus 1 is minus a half. And again we can simplify this, which gives us 2 times 3 plus 4x to the power of minus a half, and that's it. Right, now we have g of x is this function, so it's just the same process. So we start by writing down the power times the derivative of inside. This time the derivative, so we have 6 plus 2x. So this is the derivative, and I just put that in another bracket because we need to multiply both of them by 7. That's why. So now then this is also going to be then multiplied by 6x plus x squared, then to the power of 6. So now we can simplify this. So we get 7 times 6 is 42. Then so I'm just going to write down the answer here because I don't have enough space here. So it's 7 times 6 is 42, and 7 times 2x is 14x, bracket, then times this bracket, which is for the second part, and this times the second bracket, which is 6x plus x squared times 6. Right, this time we have a fraction, and one of the methods of differentiating a fraction is by using the negative powers, because I can rewrite the fraction as, so I can rewrite this as 3 plus 2x to the power of minus 1 by using the rules of indices. Now, this is the form that we are familiar with, so we can differentiate this as usual by using the chain rule. F dash x is equal to the power, which is minus 1, times the derivative of inside, which is 2, and this times the bracket and the power minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So this can be simplified to minus 2 times 3 plus 2x to the power of minus 2, and that's it. So this time we have a square root of a number, and, or it's better to say a third. So in this case, what we need to do is simply using rules of indices again, because we don't want to deal with this when we want to differentiate this, but rather we want to write this in a form that we are already familiar with. And we know that from chapter 1 of pure 1 that this can be written as 7 minus x to the power of a half. Now again, this is a form that we've already seen, so if we want to differentiate this, we will get a half times minus 1, because minus 1 is the derivative of inside, 7 minus x to the power of minus a half. So this can be simplified to minus a half times 7 minus x to the power of minus a half. Right, so now we want to differentiate this function. F dash x is equal to, so 4 is a constant outside and it doesn't have any effects, so we just need to write that down. Remember that we are not differentiating this constant outside, this just stays the same, so don't think that this constant also differentiates to 0, so that 0 times this bracket is 0 and the answer is 0. So that's fine. So we are focusing on inside the bracket, so we keep the constant 4 times. Then what we can do, so let's just open a bracket, or it's not necessary for this case. So this 4, which is the power, also should be written here, times the derivative of inside, which is 8. Now the bracket, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So simplifying this further, we get 128 times 2 plus 8x cubed. And finally, the last one, which is similar to the previous example, f dash x is equal to, so the constant doesn't change, 3 times minus 6, which is the power, times the derivative of inside, which is minus 1, and the bracket, and the power minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. And just simplifying, this gives us 18 times 8 minus x to the power of minus 7. Right, so that's it for this video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Good luck.